Imagine holding a tiny grain of sand and being told it is completely unbreakable, solid forever, impossible to split. Now imagine scientists proving that this unbreakable thing could actually be shattered, and that moment would quietly change science, medicine, and even the future of warfare. But here is the surprising part. The first atom was not split in a giant futuristic laboratory. It happened in a simple room filled with wires, sparks, and constant failures. For centuries, people believed atoms were the smallest pieces of matter, completely indivisible. Even the word atom means uncuttable. Scientists were convinced nothing could break it. But in the early 1900s, one bold physicist began to question this belief. He wondered, what if atoms were not truly solid? What if something powerful enough could tear them apart? In 1919, experiments revealed something shocking. When tiny particles were fired at atoms, new particles suddenly appeared, and the atom itself changed into a different element. This discovery proved that atoms were not indivisible after all. They had internal parts, and under the right conditions, they could be transformed. But there was still a huge problem. Scientists had no control over the process. Reactions happened randomly, like throwing stones in the dark and hoping to hit a target. So a new challenge began. Build a machine strong enough to control atomic reactions, a machine that could push particles at incredible speeds and smash them into atoms with precision. It sounded impossible, especially because the laboratory had limited money and very basic equipment. Yet two determined young scientists decided to try anyway. They started building a strange device using wires, metal plates, and electrical components. Their idea was simple but risky. Use extremely high voltage electricity to accelerate tiny particles inside a long tube. The faster the particle moved, the harder it would strike the atom, and the greater the chance of breaking it apart. But the journey was filled with frustration. Sparks damaged their equipment. Insulation failed again and again. Parts overheated and burned out. Imagine spending months building a machine only to watch it collapse in seconds. Many people would have given up, but they refused to quit. They kept improving their design, making stronger components, and slowly turning their dream into reality. Years passed, and finally, in early 1932, their machine was ready for testing. The moment of truth had arrived, but success was still uncertain. The first experiments did not produce the results they expected. Confusion spread, and doubt began to grow. Had all their effort been wasted? Then a new scientific discovery changed everything. Scientists realized there were even more particles inside the atom than previously known, and suddenly a new possibility appeared. Maybe atoms could be split deliberately, not by accident, but on purpose. So they prepared one final test. They placed a small piece of lithium inside the machine, switched on the power, and fired a beam of high-speed particles toward it. The room was silent except for the low humming sound of electricity. Everyone watched closely, waiting for any sign of success. Then it happened. Tiny flashes of light suddenly appeared on a special screen. Not just one or two, but a shower of bright sparks, like silent fireworks inside the laboratory. Those flashes were proof that the lithium atoms were breaking apart. For the first time in history, the atom had been split in a controlled and predictable way. This single moment changed science forever. It showed that matter itself could be transformed and that enormous energy was hidden inside atoms. Discoveries that followed would lead to nuclear power plants producing electricity, medical treatments, fighting cancer, and technologies that reshaped the modern world. But here is the most important lesson from this story. The first atom was not split by luck. It was split because of persistence, patience, and years of repeated failure. Two scientists with limited resources proved that even the strongest beliefs in science can be challenged, and their determination opened the door to an entirely new era of discovery. One question changed history: can the atom be broken?